Secure your WhatsApp desktop with password protection now. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Imagine someone walking by and glancing at your screen, or worse, accessing your WhatsApp chats without your permission. That's a nightmare, right? But the good news is, there's a simple fix for that. Password protection for your WhatsApp desktop. By adding a password, you can make sure that only you have access to your messages and calls. It's an extra layer of security that keeps your conversations private and protected. Now, there are two easy ways to set this up. Let's begin with the first method. Go to your WhatsApp settings and look for Privacy. Click on it. Scroll down until you find App Lock. That's the option we need. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the App Lock settings page. Here, toggle the Enable App Lock switch to turn it on. The app will then ask you to create a password. Simply enter your password and then re-enter it in the second field to confirm. Let's cancel this for now so we can look at the second method of accessing the App Lock page. For the second method, make sure you're in the main chat window. Then, click on the three-dot menu at the top. From the list, select App Lock. And just like before, it takes you right to the App Lock settings. Now, let's actually enable it this time. Toggle Enable App Lock, set your password, and re-enter it to confirm. Click OK to apply your settings. You'll also see a pop-up asking whether you want to lock the app now. We'll just click Done to close it for now. Right below that, you'll notice more options. You can set how long WhatsApp should stay idle before it automatically locks. By default, it's set to 15 minutes, but you can change it to 1 minute, 1 hour, or even 8 hours, depending on your preference. Let's keep ours at 15 minutes for now. If you ever want to manually lock the app, you can do that too. Just click the three-dot menu again. Notice how the App Lock option has now changed to Lock App. Click it, and WhatsApp will immediately lock itself and ask for your password when you try to open it again. Let's go ahead and enter the password to unlock it. Perfect. Now, since the App Lock option is no longer visible under the three-dot menu, you can still access it by going to Settings, Privacy, App Lock anytime you need to make changes. Let's test how this works when we close and reopen the app. I'll close WhatsApp and open it again. You'll notice it doesn't ask for a password yet. That's because even though we closed the window, WhatsApp is still running in the background. You can even find it in the taskbar's hidden icons. Here's what I usually do. I lock the app first, then close it completely. Now, when I open WhatsApp again, there it is, it asks for a password right away. That's exactly what we want. But what happens if you restart your computer and didn't lock the app manually before shutting down? Let's find out. I'll close WhatsApp, then exit it from the hidden taskbar icons so it's not running at all, just like after a restart. Now, when I open WhatsApp again, it still asks for the password. Perfect. It's quick, simple, and absolutely essential for protecting your privacy. So why wait? Take control of your chats today and secure your WhatsApp desktop with password protection. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tech tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.